Hi, I'm Christopher with Funtown RV. Today we're going to take a look at the Landmark Newport. Come on, let's take a look. So we have our great markers on the side featuring that Landmark logo. And then as we continue this way, our first door, that's going to be our propane. We have dual tanks, one on each side. And then right next door to that, we have our pass-through storage. Right here we have our control panel that you're able to control your leveling. And then our other control panel that's on the inside, that's how you control your lights, your slides, and everything like that. Right here we have which batteries we're going to be running off of, and then hooking up for a TV. We have our water heater right next door to that. And then with our marker lights on the side, one of the great features about this is you are able to get the Furrion cameras for those side cameras whenever you're going down the road. Right here we have our steps. They are tension controlled, so just like that, no hands. I promise there's no strings, no illusions. You're able to, with these buttons, adjust your legs. So no matter what the terrain is, you're able to get it where you have that sturdy pathway up inside your camper. Easy go down just like that. And then we'll continue on this way. So one of my favorite features, this is sealed so water doesn't get in. And you're like, why do we need it sealed? Well, because it's game day. And we have our outside TV here. Or if you're just camping and you want to enjoy some TV while you're also enjoying the outdoors, it's a great feature to have. Super easy. And then once you're done, we close it right back. It locks just like that. We're on our 12-volt awnings. We have two of them on this camper. This is a luxury fifth wheel. With the lights underneath, gives you great ambiance. We'll continue around to the back. We have our rear ladder. That's up top. That way, if you need to brush off the top, clean anything, or just check anything out, makes it super easy. We are pre-wired up top for a rear camera. So whether you are a first-time camper or you're an experienced camper, it's great at eliminating the blind spots on both sides and also helping you back up. I bet those cameras have saved a few marriages. Right here we have our Stinger. That is great for either your luggage rack or your bike rack. And then we continue around over here, and what this is going to do, this is one of those key features that you're going to see because it is a luxury fifth wheel. So after you unplug, you just push our little button here and it will reel in our power cord. Save us a lot of time. So as we continue on over here, we have our low point drains and our sewer connections right here. And you're like, where's my pools for my sewer? Well, they're actually right here and our wet bay right here. And really easy, push the light, we light up. So we have our outside shower, our water heater bypass, and our water filter all in that bay right there. Other side of our pass-through storage. And these are great, easy. Just like that, we are shut. To open, we just open like that. Right here is going to be the other side for our propane. Opens. And then as we continue around the front, we have our storage compartment up top, right? And you're like, well, there's another door. Well, right there, that's where you would put a generator. Or if you don't need a generator, it's great extra storage. And then right next to that, we're going to have our power inverter, our hydraulic fluid box, and all our controls and our battery right there. All right, guys, let's go take a look inside. Thanks for joining me inside. We're going to start with our dining room first. Great feature about this, whether it's just 2 or 4 of you. We have the 2 chairs that come standard, but there's also 2 more that I'm going to get to show you here in a little bit that's actually in our closet, and this table actually slides out. If we continue on, now we are in our living room. We have easy, you lay your phone there to charge. Electric controls, so we have vibrate, heat, and then the control to actually lounge forward and backwards. And then of course with our snack storage there in the middle. One of the great features about this, we have the coffee table that actually comes standard with this unit. And then we continue over to our couch. The great thing about this, folds down just like this. So we have our cup holders for movies, but then more, we have our plug-in and USB ports right there. And then again, with our light controls, our heated and our vibration, all controlled by our cup holders. And then continuing on into our living room, we have our fireplace. You can just have the ambiance of the fireplace, or it can produce heat. And then right above that, we have our soundbar and our TV. But wait, behind the TV is one of those hidden gems that makes this that luxury camper. We have our safe that comes standard on this unit, and then all your room for your movies and games right behind it. And then we'll continue on into the kitchen and take a look right here. So one of the great things here in the kitchen, if you're cooking and your phone's about to die, you actually built in right there, you are able to lay your phone right there and it will charge. But don't forget we have the plugs on both sides. And what that's going to be great for is for your coffee pot mixers or anything like that, or toaster. We have our microwave up top and our stove top right here. And then we have drawers right underneath. And I know you're thinking, what about the oven? Well, we didn't forget it. We actually have two. We have the double oven right here. And then plenty of storage up top. And then right on this side, we have our deep open sink, our counter space right there. And then right underneath it, one of those luxury items, we have our dishwasher. And then right next to our double oven, we're going to have our double door fridge with our freezer below and has an ice maker. So whether it's game day or if you're just having some guests come out to the campsite, one of the great features about this camper is we have a half bath right by the door. So you don't have to have everybody trumping through your camper if they need to use the bathroom. Plenty of storage above and below. And of course we have that porcelain toilet. And then continuing into the bedroom, I have 5 pillows on the bed. I know it looks like we have a lot more, but this bed actually raises and lowers. That's one of those key features that you're going to find in the luxury fifth wheels. We have our TV that's already mounted. And then right below it, a fan favorite, we have the bench. That way whenever you're getting ready in the morning, you have somewhere to sit. And then on both sides in the bedroom, we're going to have plenty of storage. And then I know you're thinking there's not enough storage in here. Well, come on, there's more. As we enter in the bathroom, one of those key features is going to be that walk-in closet. So plenty of room, plenty of shelf storage. And then one thing that's included with this camper is actually going to be the Dyson vacuum. And then right below us, you have those spare chairs. So whether it's the 2 of you or the 4 of you, you're able to use them. And then right next to us is actually going to be the washer and dryer that does come standard with this unit. And then right now we'll take a look inside the shower. Plenty of headspace. Shower right there. And then, if needed, we have our bench. Thanks for taking a look inside. Now that we're back out, one of the key features I want to show you is our full body paint job. It's one of the key features that Heartland definitely showcased on this Landmark Newport. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.